In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a wanted poster using AI. Let's get started. Have you ever wanted to see yourself on an old Western-style wanted poster like in cowboy movies, or even give your Halloween selfies a vintage outlaw twist? With photo or AI artifacts, you don't need Photoshop or design skills. The AI does all the hard work, turning any photo into a realistic wanted poster in seconds. So start by opening your browser, then go to Photo or AI Artifacts. The tool runs completely online, so you don't need to download any software. Now click the Upload Image button, then select the photo that you'd like to transform. Best photos for a wanted poster include clear face visibility, neutral or serious expressions to match the classic outlaw look, and good contrast and lighting so details show up well on the poster. Now on the left-hand panel, you'll see many art styles to choose from. Now scroll down to the Halloween section, then select the wanted poster option. And in seconds, Photor will generate a rustic, old paper-styled wanted poster with your photo in the center. But take note that this is a premium effect, so you'll need to upgrade your Photor subscription to unlock it, along with other advanced AI effects. And once the image has been generated, use the Compare button at the bottom right corner to view the before and after preview. And if you're not happy with the result, click the Regenerate button on the effect thumbnail, and each regeneration takes about 10 seconds, and the AI may add different paper textures, font replacements, or photo styling. And if you plan to reuse this effect often, hover over the effect thumbnail and click the star icon to add it to your favorites. And once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your wanted poster to your computer. You also have extra features like Post to Earn, where you can share your poster on Photor to collect Photor coins, which can be cashed out later. And you can also click Animate Your Art to turn your wanted poster into a dynamic animation using the AI video generator, great for fun TikToks or digital Western-themed skits. And here are some pro tips for beginners. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you can turn any photo into a classic Western-style wanted poster that looks like it came straight out of an old saloon. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.